Are you tired of spending hours on writing SEO articles? What if I told you there's an AI tool that can do all of that for you with just a few clicks? In this video, I'm giving you a full walkthrough of SEO-writing.ai, showing you exactly how it works and its best features. Let's dive in. So, what is SEO-writing.ai? Simply put, it's an AI writer hyper-focused on one thing: generating fully optimized, long-form content for your blog. Now, let's access this AI tool. You can use the link I attached in the description section to access this tool. When you click the link, you will see an interface like this. Now, click Get Started button here. You can either add your name, email address to sign up, or you can use your Google account to directly create an account. Once you are logged in, you will see your dashboard like this. This is where all the features are visible. Its main draw is the one-click blog post generator. It researches the top search results, creates an SEO-optimized outline, and writes a complete structured article, all from a single keyword. All right, let's see this in action. The process is incredibly simple. We're going to use this tool to write a blog on digital marketing strategies for 2026. So, your main keyword is digital marketing strategies. Let's add your main keyword into this main keyword section. Then you need to add your blog title here. According to our example, our blog title is Digital Marketing Strategies for 2026. Now, let's move to core settings. First, we can set the language. When you click this arrow icon, you can see all the available languages. Among them, select your language. Just like that, you can select article type, article size, tone of voice, point of view, text readability, and target country in this core settings section. Now, let's move to Details to Include section. This feature lets you specify any key information, points, or elements that should be included in the generated content. You can add the essential details you need to add within the blog here. For example, if you're writing about electrical services, you can add your company name, contact number, services you provide, and business hours within this section. But make sure to keep them within 1,000 characters. Now comes the Media Hub. You can add AI images and YouTube videos within the blog using this feature. If you want to add AI images, click Yes. If not, click None. Now comes the best part, SEO. You can add the keywords to include in the blog through this section. Click this NLP keyword generation button and automatically get the relevant keywords. But it's better if you can add your own keywords. Now, click Run button. Watch the magic happen. The tool is building an SEO structure, identifying required NLP entities, and drafting all the content simultaneously. And just like that, in under 60 seconds, here is a great, detailed, and structured article. Look at this. A strong introduction, clear H2 and H3 headings, AI images, and at the end, an FAQ section. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.